Hello everyone. This tutorial will show you how to export high-quality images from your interactive 3D projects. If you've imported a CAD file into Vectary in order to animate it and add interactions, it is still possible to download 2D renders without switching software. There are two ways. One way is via Vectary Studio, and another is using buttons in the online viewer. In Vectary, everything renders instantly as you create the scene. The rendering starts as soon as you open the project. To export an image from the studio, simply click the button at the bottom of the canvas, and within seconds, a high-resolution render will be downloaded to your download folder. Alternatively, if you need a specific aspect ratio for your render, select the camera and enter its view. In the Camera Properties menu, look for the Custom Aspect Ratio button and enable it. Then, simply enter the exact aspect ratio you want, and you can download the image in that format. If you want to download an image from a specific point within an animation, it's easy to do. Open the Animate tab. Also, exit the camera to avoid changing its original position. We've already set up an exploded view animation in this project. Simply move the playhead to the desired time in the animation, adjust the view to the angle you want, and click the download image icon. If you need an image without a background, you can set the background to transparent. Next, we'll show you how to create interactions that allow users to download images from the shared online 3D viewer. We'll have to create a floating UI button element and set up the download image interaction. To start, add a floating UI to the scene and then add a button element. First, we'll adjust the floating UI itself, reposition it to the bottom center and adjust its offset. Then, disable the fill color and shadow effect. Now select the button element and change the button text. Slightly increase its height, disable the fill color, and add a stroke. Next, we'll add a hover effect for the button. Enable the hover fill color, change it, and adjust the font hover color as well. Done. Finally, we'll add interactivity. Open Interact mode, add a new interaction, and rename it. Add an on-click trigger, and select the button element from the floating UI as the target. Now, add the download image action. You can choose the angle from which the image will be downloaded, either from a specific camera or the current view. You can also enable custom resolution by setting a custom width or height. It's important to note that you can only set either the height or the width, as the other dimension will automatically adjust based on the aspect ratio of the device it's being displayed on. You can opt for a transparent background or set a delay. Now, let's share the project. Anyone with the link can download the image directly from the viewer. That's it. You now know how to use Vectary's image export features and create interactive elements for easy downloads. With these tools, you can enhance your projects and share stunning visuals with others. Thanks for watching.